Oh, it is nice to be wearing a shirt again. But there is a puzzling sequence of events with the Jamaica's under-20 Reggae Boys team heading into the World Cup qualifying tournament starting next week in Florida. First of all, the appointed head coach, Mr. Vassal Reynolds, already announced himself unavailable. And then, after months of uncertainty, a team was called up a week or two ago. And we understand that only 6 players turned up for training. So the coach walked away and half a dozen players turned up for training. And it's not done yet because it is now approaching the business end of the schoolboy football season. And we understand that some of the title contending schools for both the Manning Cup and the Costa Cup are reluctant and hesitant to let go of their star players to play in a tournament that the JFF is treating like a bastard child. And you don't know my stance already. In the wider scheme of the football development, schoolboy football is overrated and should play second or even third fiddle to the national program. But when a national team is heading into a tournament without a coach and without any preparation, that looks and sounds like an embarrassment mission to me. The sad thing is that the players can be punished if they don't turn up for national duty. So they have to go, despite the apparent resignation that this under-20 team is going nowhere, and them going nowhere very fast. Is there not?